guys, Tigana my name is Bill. I'm going to start the lesson to my Mom Mary. I have a lot of things. We did a pencil case. So we did a pencil, a normal eraser. Now I have a notebook. You see, this is my name. And we have to write so much. And I have a bag. Also a bag. And look at this. Yeah, we have a bag also. 2 beans. And you like my video and you want to subscribe. And I have a board. You see this? I will make you a tree. Now, look at this. This is A, B, C, D. And also, and you want to get to subscribe. And you watch my videos and I want to love you. Subscribe, like my videos too in the app, and you like to subscribe, and you like some of my videos, like learning Basel Linis the house to sing, and you love me, and for subscribe, I love you, and you want to sing with me like this, la la la, and you want to sing like this, something, you want to go to Mom Mary, or Mom Sherry, or Mommy Ona, Teacher Joy, and now you want everything. And you have to listen to me, and you want to give me toys. And you could give me toys, I will follow you, and you give me toys, I will not follow you. And now I love you. Bye. See you tomorrow.